Sea turtles. They have a compass in their head. Turtles are sensitive to the Earth's magnetic field because they have built-in GPS. Thanks to special receptors located in their brains, they can determine their exact location in relation to the Earth's magnetic field, hence the ability to find favorable feeding sites and return back to their original nesting sites, home, to lay eggs in the exact location where they were hatched. This special feature allows turtles to migrate thousands of miles and still find their nesting sites half a century later. This is a mystery that science has yet to fully understand.